The first thing that we need to do is to download the Google Slides app. Go to Play Store, search for Google Slides, and then click or tap Install. Then wait for the file to be installed on your Android phones. Once the app has been installed on your Android phone, open it. So here is your Google Slide. You can work with different file formats. You can upload or import files like PPT, PPTX, or PowerPoint presentations, ODP, or Open Document presentation files. Also, you can download or export files like PowerPoint presentations, PDF, text, and Open Document files. You can export current slides as JPEG, PNG, and SVG. You can customize how your presentation looks in Google Slides by changing the theme, background, or layout. So, maghimo ta og new presentation. Tap the Add button at the lower right portion of the screen. Then tap New Presentation. So, by default, plain lang na siya. Walay ka color, walay ka background, and all. If you want to change the theme, upper right corner of the screen, itap ninyo ang more, kanang 3 dots, and then change theme. A theme is a preset group of colors, fonts, backgrounds, and layouts. So, from Google, mauni siya ang mga themes na available. You can also tap in this presentation. So, mauni siya. Simple light, or ang default na theme is the simple light. So, mamili tag theme from Google. Let us say, for example, kaning pop nga theme. So, pag maingon ka og theme, naa na dira, naka-arrange na ang text, naa na'y background, then naka-layout na. Example, mag-add ka og new slide. So, tap the button at the lower right portion of the screen. And then, tap blank. Sa kanina slide, gusto na ko i-change ang iyahang background image. To change the background, click lang ninyo ning add. And then, image from photos. Example kani. So that is my background image. A background is the picture or color behind your slides content. Now, next to that is we have the layout. A layout is the way your text and images are arranged on a slide. Makita na si layout, ang mga layout na available if you tap the button at the lower right portion of the screen. So, mo ni siya ang mga available na layout. We have the title slide, section header, title and body, title and 2 columns, title only, 1 column text, main point, section title and description, caption, big number, and the blank layout. So, you can choose from that options kung unsa pagka-arrange ang inyong mga text and images and all the objects inside your screen. Let us say, for example, I will choose the section header. layout. So, mo na siya. And then, so that is the difference. This is the theme. This is the theme or a preset group of colors, font, background, and layout. Second is the background or the picture or color behind your slides content. Then the third one is that we choose a layout so that the way your text and images are arranged on a slide. Next is how are we going to insert and arrange text, shapes, diagrams, and lines. We need to enhance our presentation para nindot po siya sa pananaw sa mga tao when we are going to present. So you can add text, shapes, lines, and other objects in Google Slides. First, how are we going to add? Sa upper right corner of your screen, naa si add button. You tap that and then pamili mo kung unsa ang inyong i-add sa inyong Google Slide. It could be a comment, a text, image, shape, line, or table. Let us try text. And then enter your text. Hello world. So same lang gihapon sa ato ang gihimo before sa kadtong Google Docs. Naagihapon ning formatting text. So i-click lang niyo ng icon na letter A and then ay mag-appear sa baba kung unsaon ninyo pag-format ang inyong text. Make sure na if you are going to format any objects inside sa inyong slide is naka-highlight na siya. So mo itong itap sa ninyo si Hello World before ninyo itap ning format na button. And then text. So unsa man nga font ang inyong gamiton. Verdana Times New Roman ba? So let us try Verdana. And then size, just tap the arrow up or arrow down. The text color, pwede mo mamili og color. And then bold ba, italic or underline. And then paragraph, alignment is center. And then okay, so that is how you are going to add text or object. Pwede ninyo na siya i-arrange sa ibabaw ba, sa ubos ba, or kamo na bahala. Depende sa inyong pagka-design. And then let us try to insert image. I-drag lang ninyo siya anywhere sa inyong screen kung asa ninyo siya gusto i-arrange or asa ninyo siya gusto i-plaster. And then if wala mo ganahi kay pangit ang inyong image, stop the image or the object that you want to delete and then mag-appear ni siya nga mga text. So just press or tap delete. So that is how you're going to remove text boxes or objects. And if you want to resize the object, touch and drag the blue squares. Example ha, na ko i-add nga image, this one. So if you want to resize the object, touch and drag the blue squares. Pagamay, padako, from left to right. So ano na siya. And then if you want to move the object. Okay. And then, if you want to rotate the object, kita mo aning circle sa ibabaw sa blue square. So you can touch and drag the blue circle para mag-rotate ang inyuhang object or ang inyuhang text. Ano. And then you can also change the order of objects if na magamit mo og background. If gusto niyo siya move to front or send to back, so just tap and then i-click ninyo, i-tap ninyo ning 2 dots tapos pwede send to back. You can also say move to front. Move to front places the object in front of all other objects. So if magsapaw-sapaw na inyo ang mga images tira, if daghan na magipang pansak-pansak ang mga image tira, labi na if lahi-lahi inyo ang background ug wala mo nagamit og theme, wala mo nagamit og layout, you created your presentation from scratch. So gamit jud kaayo ning move to front og send to back. So when you say send to back, places the object behind other objects. And then you can also select multiple objects. If you want to select multiple objects, touch and hold an object until the top bar turns blue. So example kaning duha ka object pa man ako ang gi-insert, di ba? We have the hello world and then the image. So i-select na to ang duha. Select. So touch and hold. And then the second object. Gamit ni siya if you want to move more than one selected object. Na-select naman nimo na siya, if inyuha na siyang i-move anywhere sa screen, pwede na sila ma-move. Unlike kaganina, kung isa lang, so isa lang po lang ma-move. But if you want multiple select, if i-select niyo mga duha, so sabay po sila mag-move. If you want to group objects together, you can tap group nga icon nga naa sa upper left corner of the screen tapad sa close nga button. Pag naka-group na siya, pwede na naman siya sabay-sabay. If you want to ungroup, touch and hold lang gihapon and then i-deselect ning group nga icon. If you want to navigate from one slide to another, click na ninyo ning naa sa ubos. And then if gusto ninyo nga i-change ang order sa slide, i-tap and touch and hold lang and then drag. Touch and then drag. Touch and then drag. Example, mag-add ko og image. Apple. So, Apple. Sa inyong activity, mag-add naman mo og image and then add a short description sa inyong image. So, kanilang dyan duha bale. Pero if gusto niyo lain pa na design, kama na ba? Then text. Apple is good for the heart. Change the text color to white, then make it bold, and then move. Apple is good for the heart, and then okay.
Ato ko mata. Ato ko mata.
So, ano lang dyan na inuhang perminti pang select. Apple, format the paragraph, bold, italic, underline. You can present Google Slides so they show on a full screen. On your Android device, just tap present button. Can I play the button? Present on this device. To change slide, swipe left or right. I think that's it. If you have questions, just ask me so that I could send you a screen recording.